Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install Windows Whistler build 2202. Basically, like, all the early builds of Whistler are so hard to install. Like, the two that I'm going to install are way harder than like any other build. Unless they don't work! Oh my god. Bruh, Windows Longhorn build 5098 only works on VMware. You can't even put the disk in. It says no, you can't do that when I put the disk in on Virtualbox. So, okay, also, I had to watch a different tutorial on how to do this because it was so hard. So if you don't like this tutorial, just go down to the other one. Just go down. Yeah, also, some parts, I don't know, I'm just gonna, first thing you want to do, click on new, Windows, Whistler, build 2202. Then next thing you want to do, click over here and click on Windows 2000, and then click next. Ignore what I'm doing here, this isn't important. And then you want to boost this up, click next, click create, click next, boost it up because it's Windows XP, and click create. Next thing you want to do, go to settings, and then click on storage, and then click on the empty disk, click on this disk, and click on Windows 98 be like. Yeah, I did it on this version. That's where Windows 98 be like came from. Click OK. Click start. Windows 98 be like. It's a classic. Okay. Boot from CD-ROM. CD-ROM support. That's what you do. You gotta do that, okay? After that, it will do this weird stuff, and then, as you can see, do you want to see what wait, I'm gonna show you. This is what happens when you put in 2202. If you just put in 2202 by itself, even if you put in the correct date, you're like, okay, let me install this real quick. It looks like it's working, right? It's working. Yay. It isn't like halfway through the tutorial. It's instant. It's like, no, you can't do this. That's bad. You can't do it. Like, wait for it. Yeah. That's what happens when you try to do it. So that's why I'm doing Windows 98 be like. Okay, let me reset it real quick because I put that in. CD-ROM, and then go to CD-ROM support. Boom. It will do all this stuff. Okay. Complicated part upcoming. F disk. Y. Or I guess enter. One. And then it will do all this stuff. And then enter again. It'll do all that stuff, and then escape, and then here it also is complicated. The whole thing's complicated, but it's also complicated. Gene reset. Boom. CD-ROM support. Boom. And then, as you can see, we'll do all that stuff again. And then, you have to type in D:, press enter, CD, Win 98 be like, press enter, and then format, C:, boom. Yes. I will do all that. Press enter, and then you gotta CD space dot dot, enter, and you're back at the D colon. And then it's almost time. You gotta, right here, you press the control button on your right hand, click on this thing right here, the 2202. Don't reset it yet. You gotta type in the date first. So type in date 02-02-2000, press enter, and then type in CD space I 386. Haha, CDI. That console's bad. Press enter, and then WinNT. Boom! Press enter, and then you're in the setup. Jeez, that took a while. That is about as complicated as it's gonna be for all the old Whistler builds. I'm also doing 2257. That's gonna be one of the finale ones. I'm not revealing the other one. Just know that I was gonna do it, but then I realized, oh wait, this is too hard to do, and I just didn't do it. No, I didn't. That was for this build, actually. The last one, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this one, I'm gonna do these two, and I'm gonna do these two. But then, I installed more builds. And I was like, oh, I like these builds, so I installed those, and I kept doing it, and now it's taking forever to get to these. Because I have so many Windows builds to install. You know, I'm removing 7746 from my list because I already finished it. You could go watch that video if you want to install another Windows. Also, down below, there's a Google document of every Windows build I've installed. So if you want to install a Windows build that you think is cool, go to that Google Docs, and then you could find any Windows build I did a tutorial on. And sometimes I might give away the tutorial before I upload it, like this one. If you went down there earlier, before this was released in the Google Docs, and then you clicked on it, you could see the video will be privated because it's privated before it gets released, but you could see that it's still uploaded and it's coming out soon. Note that my videos come out between 2 and 4. Okay? Maybe like 5. Between 2 and 5. Because once I was late and uploaded at like 4:30. It's still loading up all the files. This is gonna take a while. For some reason this is taking too long. It's taking longer than Windows Longhorn. Hurry! Also, I just uploaded a Geometry Dash video. I haven't done that in like 5 months. I'm gonna upload more videos where I do games, because I want to change it up a little bit. I'm gonna do 2 types of content. This content and me playing games. Because I have a lot of games. By a lot of games, I mean like I have 20 consoles, each with like 100 games besides the Dreamcast. I only have 1 game for that, and it's a fishing game. So I'm not gonna do a gameplay of a fishing game on the Dreamcast. That isn't fun. As you can see, it's almost done. Also, if I reach 64 subscribers, gonna play Mario 64 on the Wii U. I used to say Nintendo 64, but by this time, it doesn't seem like it's gonna get fixed in time. So I guess I'm gonna have to play it on the Wii U. That's sad. I'm sad about that. But it's still Mario 64. So subscribe for Mario 64. Ooh, 95. Ooh, 96. 97. Windows 98 be like 99. Enter. Don't press any key to boot from CD. Don't do it. Don't do it. And then is gonna do it again. Don't worry, you're not in the loop. You're not in the loop. I know this. You're not in the loop. You're not in the loop. You see? And now you're actually doing it. Press enter, press enter, press F8. I agree with this. Press enter. Leave the current file, I think. I don't know. I could have just messed the whole thing up right there. Okay. This build was really complicated. So, yeah. Most of the builds aren't as complicated as this. So don't worry about it. Press enter. Don't press any key to boot. Don't do it. This is what I say. It's either do it or don't do it. In this case, it's don't do it. Windows 2000. Yes. Also, you might not see so many old builds of Windows being installed because for some reason, like any Windows 98, like Windows Memphis, Windows Chicago, of course I have Windows Shawanic, which is just Chicago, but I accidentally misspelled it. Classic. Of course, I've installed Windows Chicago, but I haven't installed Memphis. It's because it always breaks when I try to. So, I just don't do it. So if you want to see a Windows Memphis tutorial, go somewhere else. I'm sorry. You're probably not going to see it here. I say probably. You might see it here, though. Just maybe. Ooh, Windows Professional. That means it's good. As you can see, it might flicker for a few seconds, don't worry. And I'll see you once this part's done. E! Okay, so after it's done with that, you're gonna see this screen. You wanna click next, and then name network, organization, next, and then password 1. You know what? No password. I don't want a password. Next. Next. And then it will do all this stuff. You're probably not going to see any actual Windows tutorials. It's mainly Windows betas. I might install 98. Just because Windows 98 is so important to this channel. It's the second most viewed video. Also watch Minecraft but Ads, the most viewed video. I think it's the best video, but it might be kind of cringy. I haven't watched it in a while. I remember thinking it was good when I uploaded it, but I'm not sure how I think of it now. Next, next. As you can see, loading all the files. The mouse cursor does weird stuff if you move it around too much. Ooh, ooh. It's gonna be done. This should take less long than the other one. It may take several minutes. You're right. It's gonna do this thing. Don't worry, it won't take that long. I can't wait. After the finale of this Windows thing, I'm probably gonna do something else for like a week. But don't worry, I will still make Windows tutorials. There's so many to do still. I haven't done a Windows 10 tutorial yet. A 10 beta tutorial, that is. It's basically... I'm not going to name it how to install Windows 9 because that's clickbait. Nobody likes clickbait. But it is basically Windows 9. 8.1 and 10. It's a beta. Also, it's a build of 9000, which has 9 at the beginning. And Windows 7 builds have like 7,000 in them, and Windows 8 builds have 8,000 in them. So that one has 9,000 in it. It's Windows 9. It isn't, but I'm just saying, if you say this is Windows 2000, you're basically saying that's Windows 9. This is Windows Whistler, so the other thing isn't Windows 9. But still, it's as close as we got. Also, there's no such thing as Windows 9, so don't fall for any of it. 7809. Alright, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna skip to the end of this actually. Boom. And it's done. You wanna click on finish. And it's finished. Don't press any key. This is the final challenge. Be patient, don't press any key. Boom! You're done. Congratulations. At least I think you're done. I don't know. Boom. Ta-da. I don't know. Boom! You see? Oh no, it's Windows 2000. Oops, I installed the wrong one. Oh no. Guys, I think I'm gonna delete this video. Just kidding. Build 2202. Wait. Gonna take a snapshot here, just in case I mess up. Click next. Next. Okay, that was quick. Ta-da! You've installed one of the hardest windows to install on your... Oh no! The monitor! What did they do? What did they do to it? When you break your monitor, when you chop off the top of the monitor... Dang, that must be a tall monitor. Because that's where Internet Explorer is, and that's how high it is. So it must be like this tall. Oh my god. That's a tall monitor. Jeez. Yeah, I know I could click on the start button. Look it. Ooh. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna end it there. I feel like that's a pretty good video. I hope it's a pretty good video. If it isn't, I'm gonna be sad. Alright, that's it. Bye!